Well, the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Kudirat Kekereekun, is calling for an efficient, progressive and equitable tax system that would boost economic growth, wealth redistribution and national prosperity. Well, she made the call in Abuja during the 2025 Founders Day lecture by the Nigerian Institute of Advanced Legal Studies to provide insight on the tax bills. Well, Arise News correspondent Frank Omalape has more.
As part of efforts to strengthen legal education and research, this year's lecture with the theme Dynamics of Poverty, Tax Reform Bill and National Development in Nigeria has brought together legal luminaries, policymakers and scholars to reflect on Nigeria's fiscal policies and their broader implications for national development.
There is no doubt that an efficient, progressive and equitable tax system is fundamental to fostering economic growth, wealth distribution and national prosperity. Governments across the world leverage taxation as a critical tool for economic management, infrastructure development, and the reduction of social inequalities.
Without a good tax system, the poor are irredeemably committed to penury, because taxation is the instrumentality of taking from the rich in order to provide so many things that the poor may never be able to afford.
Key speakers here, versed in tax matters, provide in-depth analysis on how the proposed tax reforms could influence economic stability and social development.
It's in line with accountability, and it will also help strengthen our macroeconomic stability. What are those things that it will bring? A situation whereby about 58 tax laws will be reduced to about 9 or at most 10.
And what is very unique about what we are doing today is to perform the function of our mandate, having to do with conducting research and ensuring dissemination of the outcome of that research. That's why we have brought an expert in the area of tax.
With legal scholars and policymakers charting the path forward here, many say the call for an equitable and efficient tax system will continue to remain on the front burner. Frank Omalape, Arise News.